Oh my goodness, my back just cracked. Oh, that was such a big crack. Oh, this feels so good. I could just lie here all day.
I've been seeing these all over my page, so of course I had to get some for myself. This is the Lotus Wheel, and it's designed to relieve neck and back pain. So let's try it out today.
Oh, this feels so relaxing. Oh my gosh, my back keeps cracking. It like sits perfectly in between my shoulder blades as well, and I can just feel all of the pressure just alleviating. Oh, I honestly could just lie here all day. This is so comfortable. My back keeps cracking. I work a 9-to-5 office job and I carry so much tension up in my neck and back. And honestly, after a few seconds here, I can already feel the tension is lifting.
I cannot wait to incorporate this into my daily routine. It'll be so good for stretching. This is your sign to go get yourself a Lotus Wheel and experience the relief yourself.